Hi, Gerhard Bloom, once again, looking at the tyranny and the delusions of the social justice movement. So let's look at ethnomathematics. This is happening, right? Schools around the United States and trying to embed this ideology in Canadian schools. This is ethnomathematics. Right? If you don't believe me, check Mr. Google, right? This is happening. This is where you learn that finding the right answer is racist. This is from a working group of math teachers in Ontario. Saying 2 + 2 = 4 is an example of covert white supremacy. And questioning them on that means you're obviously you're a racist, you're anti-trans, you're anti-immigrant. I was having a conversation with a man of color who happened to be a PhD candidate in mathematics. He wasn't white. As I'm talking to him about this very issue, he shows me his phone, opens up a course outline for a course he's required to take on ethnomathematics. How is it the case that Asians, they're not white, they do extremely well in mathematics? No, this is black kids failing to do the work. Learning to search for the right answer is furthering white supremacy, as is requiring students to show their work. When you handed in your tests and your homework, you had to actually show the teacher that you went through the proper steps to get to the right answer. Wow, that's oppressive, right? That's white supremacy, obviously. And so educators are utterly disabused of the notion that math is objective. What good could possibly come from this? Well, here we go, the racist part. Not my racist or yours, these leftist racists. They want to improve equitable outcomes. That's right. Rather than forcing failing black students to confront their lack of effort and to improve their outcomes, it's math now. Math that has to take the blame here. And teachers are confidently informed that they need to challenge the way that math is used to uphold capitalist, imperialist, racist views. You know what else mathematics holds up? It holds up suspension bridges and apartment buildings. You need to get the math right. Failing to get the math right means people die, crumbling apartment buildings and suspension bridges collapsing. Yeah. So, and as I say, here's an interesting test for you. Average grades. Asians, white students, and black students. One group studies the most hours per week and watches the least amount of television. The middle group is in the median for both of those, studying and watching TV. And then there's the failing group, right? That studies the least and watches the most TV. I'll let you puzzle that particular riddle out. And then come back to me and say math is racist. Math isn't racist. Anyways, hope you'll check out my book, Deconstructing Social Justice. It's available on Amazon. Not important because I wrote it. I wrote it because the issues could not be more important. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Bye-bye.